So today I want to talk about something I learned through plant medicine.
I'm inspired. I'm inspired.
I've been fortunate enough to have done a lot of healing with plant medicine, a few of which has been ayahuasca. I've been able to experiment with psilocybin mushrooms on multiple occasions, and I've gotten to try kambo, which is not so much a plant medicine, but it's a frog medicine. It's a frog poison, and it's an ancient, spiritual, powerful medicine that I've gotten to experience, and it's done some serious work on my body. And so through all these medicines, they've all had one thing in common. Each one of these medicines has come with what we'd call a purge. So what a purge is a purge is when there is things inside, like energies, emotions, or even physical residue that is not congruent with health, right? Like, or just not congruent with the intention set. And so with ayahuasca, when I did ayahuasca, my intention was to tap more into my potential, my spiritual self, to tap into that and realize that more so. And so in the beginning of the trip, in the beginning of the experience, the ceremony, I found myself very anxious, very like blocked energetically in life, very not tapped into my spiritual self in the beginning of the ayahuasca trip. And so what happened was then the plant medicine began to take effect. And when it took effect, I experienced, reality began to shift. I started to hallucinate a bit, but I experienced this awareness of toxicity and energetic toxicity in my body. And the ayahuasca, what it did was it went into that like energetic space, and it made me throw it up. I purged. I released it from my body like an exorcism. I released it. And I experienced that with shrooms. I found myself really emotional, in a lot of pain, and I purged through tears. I purged it out. I released. I released it through tears, and I purged the pain through expression, through talking with my girlfriend who was holding space for me during that trip. And so I purged, I released, I expelled something out of my body. And so kambo is purely purging. The frog medicine enters into the body. Shortly afterwards, I'm crapping and throwing up my guts. And all of the toxins, the physical toxins that are also carrying energetic value, I purged all of those energetic toxins out of my body via throw up and poop. And I found that through all these experiences, these plant medicines and stuff, I found that purging is a very big part of spiritual, mental, emotional clearing and healing. Purging, releasing, expelling demons, exorcisms, expelling demons, pains, burdens, toxins out of the consciousness, out of the body. Right now I have a client who she's going through she's realizing some stuff in life. Some deeper truths, some deeper things, unconscious things that she's never admitted to herself. She's realizing these things and is experiencing some pain with that. And currently right now in the healing process, she's recognized these things, and nothing can numb the pain. She could drink some alcohol if she wanted to, smoke. I don't think she's going to do that. She doesn't have another call with me for like another couple days. And so, right now there's nothing to do but to be with the pain. What I've learned through my psychedelic experiences is sometimes the only thing there is to do in life. in order to heal and to move to the next level is to be with the pain, and to be with the fear, and to be with the sadness and the sorrow, to be with the emotions, to feel them deeply, to process them, and to purge. To purge through tears, to purge through anger, to purge through expression and talking about it, to purge through whatever feels natural. Right now, what I'm inviting you to do is to purge. If you're going through a season and you're needing some spiritual like healing, or you're needing if you're trying to transform your life, one necessary element that's going to have to take place at some point in your process is the purge. And so if you're having a hard time accessing emotion so that you can purge it out, at the end of my videos, I always offer a free phone call. And if you find that our call together is very valuable, which if you give yourself authentically, it will be. If you find it valuable and you want to continue, I do have courses where you and I, for 3 months, we can partner together and we can explore your consciousness and find all the things that you can purge about, and find all the things that you can realize inside of yourself. We can access all your power and unleash that, and that can take over the space that the pain has been occupying. And we can discover this and go through this process together, and I'd be happy to do that with you. And so with all this being said, yeah, the purge, that's what I've learned through my psychedelic experiences, through my plant medicine experiences, that one necessary element for spiritual growth and healing is the purge. So if you'd like to talk about things and connect, leave a comment down below. I left a comment down below where you can access the link to my full schedule, and we can set up a time to talk. In the meantime, I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Like this video to support this video in reaching others who are looking for this message. It'd be great. It'd be appreciated by me and appreciated by those who need this message and get to hear it because you hit the like button. So much love. Thank you so much for connecting with me. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Thank you for supporting this channel, and thank you for doing this work, this spiritual work, and thank you for working towards self-realization and understanding yourself on better levels. Thank you for your contribution to the world. You're appreciated. Much love. Talk to you soon.